Hi everyone, in this video we will solve square root of 16 divided by 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to what? We will solve this question without using calculator. In the very first step we will multiply and divide by the complex conjugate of the denominator, which is 4 plus square root of 15. So we will multiply and divide by this. So it will be square root of 16 divided by 4 minus square root of 5 times 4 plus square root of 15 divided by 4 plus square root of 15. The square root of 16 into 4 plus square root of 15 divided by, this is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b times a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this will be 4 square minus square root of 15 square. And square root of 16 into 4 is 64. Or we can write this as 16, 4 plus square root of 15 divided by 4 square is 16 minus square root cancel is square is 15. This is square root of 16 times 4 plus square root of 15. Now this will be equal to square root of 16 times square root of 4 plus square root of 15. We know that square root of 16 is basically equal to 4. So this will be 4 times square root of 4 plus square root of 15. As we can see that only 1 is multiplying with this. So can we write this one as 2 divided by 2 for completing square? So this will be equal to 4 times square root of 2 divided by 2, 4 plus square root of 15. Multiply this 2 inside the bracket. 4 square root of 2 into 4 is 8 plus 2 times square root of 15 divided by square root of 2. Now we can write it as 4 times square root of this 8 can be written as 5 plus 3, okay, plus 2 square root of 15 as it is divided by square root of 2. Now equal to 4 times square root of 5 can be written as square root of 5 whole square plus 3 can be written as square root of 3 whole square plus 2 times this can be written as square root of 3 square root of 5, because square root of 3 times square root of 5 is square root of 15 whole divided by square root of 2. Now this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So the numerator now becomes 4 times square root of square root 5 plus square root 3 whole square divided by square root of 2. This square root cancel is square, we get 4 times square root of 5 plus square root of 3 divided by square root of 2. Multiply and divide by square root of 2. So this will be equal to 4 times square root of 2 square root 5 plus square root 3 divided by square root 2 square root 2 square root 2 whole square. And this will be equal to 4 times square root 2 times square root 5 is root 10 plus 4 times square root 2 square root 3 square root 6 divided by 2. Divide 2 on both with 2 times square root 10 plus 2 times square root 6. Take the 2 LCM, common, 2 common, square root 10 plus square root 6. This is the final answer of square root of 16 divided by 4 minus square root of 15. This is the final answer. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.